warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all. We want to thank you for coming to our presentation. Before we start this discussion, let us pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the knowledge we get. Next, let me introduce myself and my friend. I am Raden Rosonia Erika Putri, student ID number 931203120. And my friend Ardi Bagus Wiranata, student ID number 931200920. Next, Wiwi Agustin, student ID number 931211717. Next, Ayu Febriani, student ID number 931201920. Next, Kurotan Ayun, student ID number 931200820. So, today we want to present a narrative text for you. Oke, langsung kita mulai. Capture 2, preliminary. Definition of narrative text. Langsung saja pada pemateri bisa menjelaskan.
Okay, my name is Wiwi Agustin, student ID number 931211717. I will explain about definition of narrative text. Definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a word that has the meaning of series of event or event projection. News text of text is the meaning of writing. So narrative text is a text or story of a series of content event presented in a sequence of written or spoken word and or in the screen of picture. Narrative text is written story that aims to even the read. Of course, the name of the imaginary story that is not literally because it could be an imagination of a fiction story made by someone or a story made by a group of people who not prove it true. Narrative text can also be called a story with completion or problem, even and it trained to find the solution to solve the problems. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, purpose of narrative text. Pemateri bisa langsung dijelaskan purpose of narrative text. Halo? Ayun?
Oh ya, name Kurotan Ayun, student is number 931200820. Okay, purpose of narrative text. The basic purpose of the narrative text is to entertain and appeal to the reader by presenting a story or event that has a conflicting problem, and at the end of the story there is a happy or even miserable resolution of an or ending. In fact, narrative texts are not limited to stories of mystical fiction, legend, fairy tales, or fables, but other stories, the adventure, mystery, and all forms of story. In essence, the narrative text is about the story. But in school lesson, narrative text is usually used only to show fictional story like fairy tales of legend. If we watch from the table, then the narrative text that is often intended be the, the father of the teacher is included in the category of suggestive narrative, the text that makes the reader get the wisdom of a story.
Okay, thank you. Next, generic structure of narrative text. Silahkan.
Ya. Generic narrative text. As type of English text in structure, the structure of the narrative text consists of the parts. 6. 1. Orientation. In the orientation section or introduction contains the introduction of character and the theme and place of the incident. 2. Complication. In this paragraph, which become the core of the narrative text. Without any problem, this text is only one form of export to event that followed with another event. The problem that arise can be distinguished. So, 1. Natural conflict. Namely, the problem that arise because of the perpetrator stories dealing with the force of social conflict. Namun, the problem that arise because the perpetrators were facing as other, they met at the same time with different interests. Psychological conflict, namely the problem that arise when dealing with the preparators of the story itself. The contraction between the good and bad, between resolution. The resolution section contains how the character from the story solve the problem. In the complication section, usually there is more than one resolution for one complication. For coda, in some preferences about narrative text, there are additional generic structure in narrative text, namely the addition of coda after resolution. So the arrangement of narrative text is orientation, complication, resolution, and coda. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, characteristic and moral message of narrative text.
Okay, I'm Ayu Febriani, ID number 931201920. The characteristic of narrative text. In narrative text, there are several characteristics, among others as follows. 1. using action verb in the form of past tense. For example, climb, turn, rope. 2. Using certain nouns as pronouns of people, animals, and certain object in the story. For example, the king, the queen. 3. Using adjective that make up the noun parts. For example, long black hair to red apples. 4. Use time connective and conjunctions to support event. For example, then, before, after, soon. 5. Using adverb and adverbial parts to indicate the location of an event or event. For example, here, in the mountain, happily ever after. A. Moral message of narrative text. The moral message is taken from the base value of the story. Thank you.
Okay, next then we go straight to chapter 2 discussion. My name is Sonia Erika Putri, student ID number 931203120. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang analisis of text dan generic struktur. Dolphin and the fisherman. Orientation. One day, there was a fisherman fishing in the sea. The fisherman was fishing alone on this small two-oar boat. Complication. That day was not a good day to fish. The fisherman got none of his even he had been fishing for several hours. The fisherman could not stay longer for fishing if there was no fish eating his bait. He was bored and hungry, but the thought that he had no fish, then he would have no money for this family. He was confused and sad. He prayed to the good for this lucky. He decided to fish for more few minutes, and if he got none, the herd would back home soon. But if he got one, the world continued to fish. After fisherman moved his boat closer to it, sea carefully. It was like what he thought. That thing is a net with the boy at a surface. If the boy was working, there must be some fish trapped at the net. But was that there was no but expert that fisherman at that area. It meant that the net was a missing net. The fisherman looked at net to see what kind of fish which met the boy whooping. It was a dolphin trapped and the next. But a pity, dolphin. I was a beautiful dolphin with white color and its white rare skin of dolphin at the sea. The fisherman took it free. The dolphin looked happy after that. It swam around the fisherman and jumped 3 times before it finally left him. Resolution. A month after that, a fisherman met that white dolphin at the different situation. It was a cloudy day and the fisherman was still the man of the sea. The storm will come soon, and the fisherman and a hungry prepared to back home. But I was too late before the fisherman got to the beach. The storm was coming. The wave was too high, and the fisherman's boat was slowly sinking. The fisherman could not do anything as expert trying to swim, but he was too old and he could not stay any longer at that moment, the red dolphin came and stayed and served the fisherman. That storm was over and the fisherman was already at the beach. And Koda, he did not remember how he was there, but what we can remember was that the dolphin has served him. He looked at the middle of the sea and he saw the red dolphin jump several times. Okay, next characteristic and moral message analysis of the text.
Okay, I'm Ayu Febriani, ID number 93120192. J. Characteristic text. In narrative text, there are several characteristics, among others as follows. 1. Using action verb in the form of past tense. For example, looked, jumped, wrote, changed, prepared, moved, lived, closed, confused. 2. Using certain nouns as pronouns of people, animals, and certain objects in the story. For example, the fisherman, the dolphin. 3. Using adjectives that make up the noun parts. For example, white dolphin, small old boat, beautiful dolphin. 4. Use time, connective, and conjunction to short events. For example, soon, before, then. 5. Using adverb and adverbial parts to indicate the location of an event or event. For example, in the sea, at the beach, home, looked happy. D. Moral message text. The moral value is that we have to help anyone who needs help, even those who need help are animals. If we help sincerely at a time when we are in trouble and need, we will definitely be given help by others unexpectedly. Thank you.
So that was our presentation on narrative text. If it is not clear, you can ask. Did anyone ask? Apakah ada yang ditanyakan? Jika ada pertanyaan, silahkan. Halo, Puri, tidak ada suaranya.
My name is Puri Dwi Purwanti, student ID number 931200220. What made you cause the story and what parts showed that it is a narrative story?
Baik, pertanyaan kami tampung. Apakah ada pertanyaan lagi?
Okay, excuse me. My name is Mustafa Azza. Student ID number 931201320. Is narrative text the same as recount text? Thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you. Silahkan jika ada lagi.
Okay, my name is Nuni Ayuni, student ID number 931200620. I have one question. Whether ever narrative text should have a moral message? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oke, dari pertanyaan yang pertama, dari Puri Dwi Purwanti, silahkan jika ada yang menjawabnya.
Okay, my name is Wiwi Agustin. Student ID number 931211717. I will answer this question. What made you cause the story and what part so that is a narrative text? Apa yang membuat Anda memilih cerita dan bagian apa yang menunjukkan bahwa itu adalah cerita naratif? Okay, because the story is interesting and it continues to contain elements that link to the narrative text. As one, using action in the form of past tense. 2, using pretend noun as pronoun of plural, animally and enters object in the story. 3, using annotation that make up the noun list. 4, use time, continuous, and condition to store event. 5, using adverb and variable list to indication the relation of an event or event. Thank you.
Oke. Apakah kurang jelas? Gimana? Oke, terima kasih.
Welcome.
Yang selanjutnya, pertanyaan dari Yulfa Sari Aza. My name is Raden Nurul Sonia Erika Putri, student ID number 93120. I will answer this question. Is narrative text the same as recount text? Recount text or narrative text is the same as text in English that tells of event or event in the past, and the linguistic characteristic of the two texts are the same. The purpose of narrative text and recount text is also the same, namely to retell event or events that occurred in the past. Dan juga perbedaannya, teks naratif itu terdiri dari orientasi, komplikasi, resolusi, dan kode. Sedangkan recount text terdiri dari orientasi, event, dan reorientasi. Dan juga teks naratif menghadirkan konflik dalam cerita, sedangkan recount text tidak menghadirkan konflik dan hanya menjelaskan urutan peristiwa yang terjadi secara detail saja. Thank you. Apakah kurang jelas jawaban dari saya?
Sudah, terima kasih.
Okay, welcome. Pertanyaan selanjutnya.
Pertanyaan ketiga dari Nuni Wahyuni. I'm Ayu Febriani, student ID number 931201920. Whether every narrative text should have a moral message? Apakah di setiap naratif teks terdapat pesan moral? Every narrative story contains a moral message. The moral message is implied in the story that the writer tells. To know the moral of a story, we have to read it over and over again. After we finish, we come to a conclusion. From this conclusion, we will know the moral message of the story. The moral of narrative stories usually has the following characteristic. 1. Moral is always good. The writer always offers good things for readers to emulate. 2. Can be seen at the end of the story. 3. Can be seen from the character of the main character. Artinya, jadi di setiap teks naratif itu pasti ada pesan moralnya. Untuk mengetahui moral sebuah cerita, kita harus membacanya berulang kali. Setelah kita selesai, kita sampai pada suatu kesimpulan. Dari kesimpulan ini, kita akan mengetahui pesan moral dari cerita tersebut. Cerita naratif pada pesan moral biasanya mempunyai ciri 1, moral selalu baik. Penulis selalu menawarkan hal-hal yang baik untuk ditiru oleh pembaca. 2, bisa dilihat di akhir cerita, dan 3 bisa dilihat dari karakter tokoh utama. Thank you.
Oke, apakah kurang jelas dari yang disampaikan tadi?
Sudah cukup. Terima kasih, Ayu.
Okay, all the questions have been answered. Before this discussion, because we want one of you to be able to conclude about your or material earlier. Jadi dari kalian kita meminta salah satu untuk menyimpulkan apakah ada yang dapat menyimpulkan apa yang kita bahas tadi?
Okay, excuse me, moderator. I call the conclusion of the material that you are presenting is the notion of narrative text is a non-fiction story that can be in the form of fairy tales, myths, folk tales, animal stories, and so on. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader with a story that is designed to be interesting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Yulfasari Azza. Next, our conclusion are, jadi ini kesimpulan dari kelompok kami. Narrative text is a next or story about interconnected events, presented sequentially from the beginning to the end of the story, either orally or in writing, and or with pictures which are presented sequentially or chronology. Narrative text can also be called a story with complication or problematic event, and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problem. The structure of narrative text consists of 3 parts, namely its orientation, resolution, and complication. But in several references of narrative text, there is an additional generic structure to narrative text, namely the addition of coda after resolution. Coda is the last part of the narrative text. Structure which contains the chunks that have occurred to the characters and the lessons that can be learned from the story. The basic purpose of the narrative text is to entertain and appeal to the reader by presenting a story or event that has a conflicting problem, and at the end of the story, there is a happy or even reversible resolution or ending. So that's our conclusion. Is everything clear? Apakah semuanya sudah jelas? Halo?
Yes.
Bagaimana? Okay. Thank you so much for your attention. Semoga ilmu yang kita dapat hari ini dapat bermanfaat bagi kita semua. Amin. And sorry if there is an error from the group. And thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.